I'm going to share with you 3 tips that you can use to get content, different content ideas for whatever niche it is that you are creating content for. Okay. Now, the very first tip, this particular tip is quite underrated, and it is rest. Rest well. See, the thing is, we are not robots. We're not automated. We're not machines. So I've noticed that I'm also talking to myself. If you keep working yourself and overworking yourself, even machines self, when you keep overworking, or your phones, you keep filling them with so much things, at a time the storage gets full and your phone starts to hang, your system starts to hang. The same thing, how much more your body? Your body is even designed to rest. Do you understand? Even God said it on the seventh day. He said, rest. I think that was in the time of the Israelites. God told them that on the 6th year, was it on the 6th year or the 7th year? Allow your lands to rest. Don't farm on those lands. That's for a reason. For God to even tell us that rest, it is very important. And I'm also doing this video so that I can always come back to this video and remind myself that glory, go and rest. One thing I've noticed about myself is whenever I'm so stressed, I do less. Do you understand? The more stressed I am, the less productive I am. But the days that I know that I take enough rest, maybe I sleep early and then wake up the normal time, I'm refreshed. Those days I notice that I get more creative. I'm not blank. Whatever idea it is that I have, I can be able to tweak it into different forms and then create something very good out of it. Unlike days when I'm so stressed, I can sit in front of the camera like this and I'll just be looking like, what do I do? In fact, I can be having headache and all of that. So if you want to get more creative or you want to be able to get more ideas and all of that, you need to rest. Don't underrate rest, because when you fall sick, there's no way you'll be consistent with uploading on your channel. So the next tip I'm going to share with you is, as a creative, whenever you are surfing the net, whether you're going through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Chrome, whatever it is, YouTube, always be conscious of the fact that I'm going here because I also want to get something. I'm not just going there for pleasure. I also want to get ideas. Personally, I do that whenever I think it has already been configured in my head. So whenever I'm going through social media platforms, I just see things and I'm like, oh, I can actually imbibe this. I can actually tweak this and then create something out of this. Do you understand? So always be conscious or be very intentional whenever you're surfing the internet. As you're getting your ideas, I have a part on my phone, my notes part on my phone. I have a particular page where in fact, I titled that page ideas. So whenever I have any idea, I see something and I feel like, oh, Glory, you can actually recreate something like this. You can actually spice up this kind of thing. You can actually do something related to this. I just go straight to my page and then I type it there. Okay, so you can always do that for your own channels and you're going to always have ideas. So whenever you want to film, just go there, go to your idea library and then start checking and then start scripting out whatever it is that you want to film. Another way to also get ideas is to check for content gaps, and you can always get content gaps from your YouTube studio. Okay, when you go to your YouTube studio, you're going to see content gaps. Okay, you're going to see different topics that you can actually get ideas from to film your next video. Now, what are content gaps? Content gaps are what some people are searching for on the internet but are not actually getting results for what they are searching for. So that means some of your viewers are actually checking for they're actually searching for some particular content, but they are not getting the results that they actually want. So those are content gaps. You can always go to your YouTube studio and you're going to find those content gaps there, and then you can start using them to create more content for your channel. And of course, you can always ask your viewers, okay, in the comment section. You can always ask your viewers, or as a post, you can always ask your viewers. You can ask them for questions that they need answers to, and then like that you can also get ideas. Okay, then also you can ask on your other social media platforms, people that are already following you there. You can ask them for videos that they'd like to see, and then you can create videos based on what they have placed for you. Another way you can get ideas is through your comment section. While answering people's questions, you also be knowing, some people will just tell you that, oh, please, can you create a video on this thing? Can you create a video on this thing? Like I know on my comment section, there was someone that talked about copyright claim. Can I create a video on copyright claim? And I'd gotten that video more than once, that question more than once. So I decided that, okay, let me just create this particular video. So you can always do that. You can always get ideas from your comment section. If you've not liked this video at this moment, remember, you will always get relevant information from this channel. So like this video and subscribe to join this beautiful family. Now, the last tip I'm going to be talking about is you can always go on YouTube, you can always go on Chrome and then type for, you know, any topic that is just related to your niche. Okay, type for it and then see what people are searching for. Okay, so if you go to Google now and you type how to edit videos, you're going to see other suggestions. You can look through those things and then get ideas from those things. You can get ideas from YouTube. You can also use ChatGPT and just type on it content related to your niche. Okay, you can put content related to YouTube, content related to video editing, content related to fashion, content related to spiritual growth. You can always get stuff or ideas from that platform. And of course, you now recreate those ideas. So as a creative, you can never run out of ideas. You can always think of one idea and then tweak that particular idea into different content for your channel. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so to my returning subscribers and viewers, you're welcome. Thank you for coming back. And if this is your first time meeting me, I'm Glory C, and this is an educative channel where I talk about video editing, about YouTube and development, whether it be self or digital development. So you can be sure to always get something relevant to your growth from this channel. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join this amazing family. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to watch these videos. You can always improve on your channels by watching these videos, okay, that I have on my screen right now. Whatever questions you have from my videos, you can always place in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer your questions. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.